Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, confirm you're using the Google account that owns the profile you'll delete. Once done, switch to the correct location if you manage multiple businesses. Export anything important now, photos, review screenshots, or contact lists, because deletion is permanent. Next, open Google Business Profile Manager and locate the exact listing. Make sure the business isn't part of a chain or linked to other owner accounts. Proceed only when you're sure you have backups of critical data. Now remove other users to avoid permission clashes. Go to Users, remove Managers, or transfer ownership to yourself if needed. If the business is still listed publicly, mark it as permanently closed first to reduce customer confusion. This helps with indexing and removal. Then open Settings, choose the correct business, and select Remove Listing or Delete Business Profile. Follow on-screen confirmations carefully. Google often asks multiple times to confirm you want permanent deletion. Finalize by confirming the deletion prompts and monitoring your account email for Google's confirmation message. Make sure to clear browser cache and sign out then back in to verify the profile status. Changes can take hours to days to propagate across search and maps. If the listing still appears after 72 hours, use Google Business Help to request removal and provide proof of ownership. One troubleshooting tip: if another verified owner exists, contact them to remove verification. Otherwise, Google will not allow full deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.